Regret you ever regret? That feeling that clings to you? The thing you should have said? The path you didn't take? The version of you that didn't know better? We carry regret like it's punishment. But what if it's just a weight you no longer need to hold? Regret is human. It's a sign that you have changed. It shows you care, that you've learned. But here's the problem. We replay the moment over and over, as if doing that will change what happened. It won't. Psychology says regret can be useful for a moment, a short burst of reflection, a lesson, a signal, a pivot. But beyond that, it's turned into rumination, and rumination, it drains energy, lowers mood, and keeps you stuck in the past. Instead of moving forward, you are mentally time traveling in circles. Next time regret shows up, try this. Acknowledge it. Ask, what does this teach me? Apply the lesson. Let it go. That's it. No punishment, no self-blame, just progress. Because every minute you spend regretting the past, it's a minute you don't spend building your future. But here is the truth. Regret you ever regret. You have already paid the price for that mistake. You don't owe it more time. So regret what you need to, for a moment. Then let it go, like a breath you no longer need to hold. You've got better places to be. If you like this video, share it with someone you care about. Give it a like and hit subscribe for more inspiring videos. This is Living My Better Life, where every day we find small ways to feel better, live better, and think better.